there, it's Nana AC TV. Welcome! So today's menu is a very simple puff puff. So quick. We have our yeast, our sugar, some warm milk or warm water. We're going to mix, cover to proof for just 5 minutes. Our foamy solution is ready, so we are going to add our flour. I'm going to leave in the description box the measurements, okay? After our flour, we add our nutmeg, I'll add my salt. I'm just using a little bit of salt because I'm using salted butter here. There you have it. We add our butter. You can melt it. We have our egg. Just 1 egg, room temperature. We mix everything. Cover to proof for just 5 to 10 minutes. No long things. Very simple puff puff. We are ready to fry with our vegetable oil. Medium heat. Look at that, just 5 minutes of proof in this dough. So we are going to scoop and drop. As simple as that. Don't worry about the roundness. The other side, and our puff puff is ready. Look at that. You know why I love this measurement? It's crunchy. You know, at the tips, it's crunchy, fluffy in the inside and crunchy at the tip and the outside. So good. Is your cocoa ready? Thank you so much for all the support. We're almost 80. Wow. 80K subscribers. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. I love you all. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so right away. Press the like button and share. Bye-bye.